Good morning. Wind is going to be the big weather story today. Already picking up out there, and we're going to see it continuing to get strong even up to that 12:30 hour. In fact, it's the early afternoon that we anticipate our strongest winds at 25 miles per hour, gusting though as high as possibly 40 miles per hour. And typically we would see it die down in the evening before picking up the following day. But as you can see, we're not only going to see it continuing today, overnight though, even into Friday morning, not going to get much of a break. We're still expecting it to be 15 to 20 mile per hour winds this evening and overnight into early Friday. Then once we start getting into the later part of the day on Friday, these winds finally start to exit and move out. Not going to do much for our highs though. We're still expecting to stay very warm today, even warmer Friday and Saturday. And then by the time we get to next week, we'll start seeing those 80s return, possibly even a 10% chance for rain.